Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a series on healthy oats recipes. For episode 1 of healthy oats recipes, I'm sharing a 10 minutes oats chilla recipe made without maida or wheat flour. Ideal as a quick, healthy meal for students, bachelors or for beginners in cooking. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup old-fashioned rolled oats. Add in some water and allow the oats to soak for 5 minutes. You may please check my previous oats recipes to know why soaking is important when you're using oats. Links will be updated below this video. While the oats are soaking, I got ready the other ingredients. So this is half of an onion finely chopped, a small handful or about 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. It's 5 minutes now and the oats are nicely soaked. I'm going to rinse it a couple of times under running water and then I'm adding it into my blender jar. Adding the rinsed oats into the blender jar, add in half cup water, a small piece of ginger, a sprig of garden fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 to 4 black peppercorns. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric. 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. I'm going to blend this really well. Pour the blended oats batter into a bowl. Into this I'm adding in 1 chopped green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Tomato chopped. Half of an onion chopped, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, and give it all a good stir. Now instead of the vegetables I'm using, you can use any vegetable of your choice, like maybe grated beetroot, grated carrot or any green leafy vegetables of your choice. And now the oats chilla batter is ready. You can see that it is of the perfect consistency. It is neither too thick nor too thin. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood-pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or till oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the tawa is greased, reduce the flame to the lowest, pour in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the chilla batter and spread it out lightly. Drizzle in a little bit of wood-pressed sesame oil, or you can even use A2 desi ghee or even any wood-pressed oil of your choice. Cover and let it cook on low to medium flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over. About a minute later, carefully flip it over to a plate. And my super healthy oats chilla is ready to serve. See how soft this oats chilla is. It will stay soft once it has cooled down, hence it's ideal to carry as a lunchbox meal. You can enjoy this healthy chilla with any pickle of your choice or even with chutney or any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy oats chilla and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.